Hello, Matt Reddick here, licensed financial advisor, #1 best-selling author, and Carrot Bars affiliate. And today I want to talk about the 5 reasons of why Carrot Bars is the ultimate e-commerce company. Once again, 5 reasons why Carrot Bars is the ultimate e-commerce company. #1 is there's no cost to register as a customer or affiliate. You can easily open up your gold savings account online and then even set up an auto exchange to purchase Carrot Bars Gold weekly, monthly, or whenever you'd like. Carrot Bars will then store that gold for free in Germany or have it shipped to your doorstep by FedEx. Carrot Bars will also reward you when people you refer to Carrot Bars acquire or buy gold. However, if you want to participate in the business package commissions and dual team payouts, you will need to either earn or buy an optional business package. But here's the second reason why Carrot Bars is the ultimate e-commerce company. There is, and listen closely, no mandatory product purchase requirements to participate in the rewards program with Carrot Bars. Again, there's no product purchases. You don't have to buy gold every month to qualify for the income opportunities with Carrot Bars. And most of the companies, you have to buy so much every month of their product to qualify. Not with Carrot Bars. If you want to buy gold, which is a very good idea, by the way, that's entirely up to you. The third reason why Carrot Bars is the ultimate e-commerce company is that with the dual team payout plan, if anyone in your right or left team purchases gold or acquires a business package, you receive units. And keep in mind, when you have just 50 units on one side and 25 on the other, you'll receive a dual team payout. Now keep in mind, anybody in your left team, that could be 100 deep, 500 deep, 1,000 deep, 5,000, 10,000 deep, you will earn units on both sides all the way up to you and above, obviously. The fourth reason why Carrot Bars is the ultimate e-commerce company is that our product is not a consumable product, like vitamins or nutrition, weight loss, makeup, and things like that. All we're doing is simply exchanging one form of money for what I call a better form of money, which is gold. And as you know, gold has been used for over 5,000 years and is going to continue to be so worldwide. And the fifth reason why Carrot Bars is the ultimate e-commerce company is that you do not lose any unused units because of what's called flushing or inactivity. They're going to stay in your account until you receive another dual team payout in the future, which again, keep in mind, 50 units on one side, which is a very small number of units, and 25 on the other, you'll receive a dual team payout. Or if you upgrade to a higher dual team business package, then your units are going to be adjusted based on the value of the package at the time the units were earned. And again, remember, you earn units down to infinity. So if you had 100 people or 1,000 or 5,000 or 10,000, you're going to continue to acquire units based on people in your organization buying gold or acquiring a business package. And no matter how large your organization grows, you'll always receive every unit earned in your entire group. And then at the end of each week, Carrot Bars pays out all business package commissions and dual team payouts on Fridays. So Friday is payday every week if you have at least 50 units on one side and 25 on the other. And they pay out those wonderful commissions as in a form of loading the money onto your MasterCard, your Carrot Bars custom MasterCard debit card each Friday morning that you've earned enough units the week before. So great opportunity to not only secure your financial future, but help other people secure their financial future with gold, real gold, 999.9 pure 24 karat gold bullion with Carrot Bars. So jump on the bandwagon, tell as many people as possible, and share this video of the 5 reasons why Carrot Bars is most definitely the ultimate e-commerce company.